Hello everyone, welcome to Explore a Hop. So for this example, we're told that two numbers are chosen at random without replacement from the set containing the numbers 1, 2, 3, and 4. So for part A, we want to find the sample space for this experiment, and for part B, we want to find the probability that both numbers are even. Let's start with part A first. For part A, we can first start by constructing a tree diagram to help us visualize all the possible outcomes in this experiment. So since we have four numbers to choose from, then we first start by writing 1, 2, 3, and 4. And now, since we are choosing the numbers without replacement, then once we choose a particular number, we cannot choose it again. So for each number we choose, we can only choose from the three remaining numbers. So we list the three remaining numbers underneath each of the numbers that we wrote. Now, we can list all the possible outcomes in the sample space. So the sample space is therefore the set containing the outcomes 1, 2. So that's the first outcome in our tree diagram. Then we have 1, 3. That's the second outcome. Then we have 1, 4. Then 2, 1, 2, 3, 2, 4. Then 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 4. Then 4, 1, 4, 2, and 4, 3. We can see from the sample space that there are 12 possible outcomes if we were to count every outcome in the sample space. And that's it for part A. So now for part B, we want to find the probability that both numbers are even. So let's first start by letting the event E be equal to the event where both numbers are even. So to find the probability of event E, we want to take the total number of ways to have two even numbers and divide it by the total number of outcomes. And from the sample space, we can see that there are only two possible ways to have two even numbers. We either have a 2 and a 4, or we have a 4 and a 2. So the probability of event E is therefore equal to the number of ways to have two even numbers, which is 2, divided by the total number of outcomes in the sample space, which is 12. And this, of course, is equal to 1 over 6. And that's the probability of event E. Thank you for joining us. See you in the next lesson.